What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of CA Buildz. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button, turn you guys post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on anything. Today we're back on the Nissan 370z. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, go check them out. We got this thing for super cheap off of Copart. Has some front end damage right there. I already did a lot of work on it. It's coming along really nice. Today we'll continue doing the front end. Let me show you guys a little more. This is what we got so far. I replaced the hood. I replaced the radiator support, radiator condenser, all of those components over there. I put on the original fender on, but it is damaged right here and the whole fender kind of twisted. I mean, you could fix that, but it's honestly not really worth it. So I did find a used one right here, and the used one's basically in perfect condition. So what we'll be doing today is painting the sides over here and the inside over there of this used one. So once we throw it on the car, we don't have to take it off again to paint it again. So I'll do that right now. I'll try to throw on the headlights, the reinforcement bar. Just try to get as much done as we can. Before we do that, let's go get the doggos out and then start working. Ooh, they are ready to go. Guys, if you guys actually want to see a 4Runner rebuild, comment down below. I was thinking to do one for a while, just never really got to it. Rebuild it, lift it, put it on wheels and everything. Kind of like this one over here, but maybe go a little bigger, run 35s or something. Comment down below if you guys want to see that. Maybe we'll do that in the future. Let's go let these guys out. Ooh, who's excited? Let's go. Oh yeah. All right, I got the fender sanded down. Everything's looking good. We got our paint booth set up. Now we're gonna start spraying it. All right, I got the fender painted. Everything's looking good. It's just the edges over there. It was super easy. Paint looks good. What I'm gonna do now is let it dry and we'll go take off our old fender right there and get ready to put on the new one. We got the fender on. Check out these gaps. Just amazing. So basically there's brackets that the fender screws on under there. Let me show you guys. Those brackets under there, I don't know if you can see them on camera, and they're all twisted up. I have to bend them out and move them over that way, and then the fender gap will get smaller. right, check this out, guys. Check out these gaps. They are pretty much perfect all the way through. This side, look at this side. It's perfect. The only thing I could think of is the hood could come a little bit this way. I could adjust that later, but they're pretty much perfect all around. Over here, look at this gap by the door. It's looking amazing. All right, that's done. The fender's pretty much good. I'm not gonna be taking it off no more because the inside's painting. We'll just paint the whole front end together later. Now let's try to get on the headlights and see how those adjust. We had one good one right here. This one had no damage, little tab over here, but that's just for a clip. And then we have one right there. Let me take this down, there's so much junk here. But this one right here that I fixed a tab. So there was a broken tab right here. I put mesh over there and some JB weld, and this thing is not going anywhere. So we'll throw this headlight on, throw that headlight on, see how those line up, and then put on the rebar. All right, we got this headlight on so far. These gaps are actually looking really good. This headlight needs to go a little more this way, but I'm not gonna make it perfect because I still will need to take it off when we paint it. But this side, I'm having a little issue because this part of the fender is twisted and mangled already, and the gap doesn't wanna line up good over here with the headlight. So I'm gonna have to mess around with that a little bit, but I think it will be good. Let's get that done, and then we'll throw on the rebar, and we're pretty much done with the front end. We got both headlights on, and check out these gaps. They are basically perfect. The headlights can still be adjusted a little bit. I don't want to spend too much time on them because they will be coming off when we're getting painted. When I'll be putting them on the second time, we'll make them absolutely perfect. But look at these gaps, they're looking really good. Headlight can go in just a little bit right there. And over here, I had a little bit of issues, but it's turning out pretty nice. Everything else is looking good. Look what I noticed on this headlight. There's a little piece missing. I am not sure what I'm gonna do there. I don't really want to buy a new headlight because these things are like $700 to $800. Maybe we can figure something out over there, but we'll see. This is a budget build. It's costing us really cheap. I'll probably be doing a full price breakdown once it's done. But everything else is looking really nice. All these gaps are just perfect over here. What I'm gonna do now is put on the rebar, and I actually forgot about the washer tank right here, the windshield washer tank. So I'll get this on as well, get the rebar on, and see what else we can get done. Yeah, buddy? The reinforcement bar went on super smooth because we had no frame damage, so all the holes, everything lined up perfectly. It's coming together really nice, like the whole front end is basically done. Now let's put on the windshield washer tank. It goes somewhere right here, and see how that fits. Okay, we got the windshield washer tank on. That's looking good. I also went ahead and put on these plastics over here because they were laying around. Might as well make them look nice over there. What I'm gonna do now is pull the car out and put our side skirt on. It doesn't look like there's any damage on it, so we might as well throw it over there because we'll just be painting the front end. I'm not sure if I'll be blending the door or not yet. I don't really want to. I don't feel like taking it all apart. The paint should match up, but we'll see. I'll still talk to the painter, see if we'll be blending the door or just painting this and the front end over here. So let's get the car out and throw on the side skirt. I got the side skirt on. I didn't secure it all the way on the bottom because we do have some scratches over here that I didn't really see. There's some over here as well, so I'll probably be taking it off and painting it with the front end. Everything else is looking really good. All the gaps, everything's lining up perfect. I will have to adjust this headlight just a little bit, but we'll do that after we paint it. I'll most likely be putting clear coat on both of the headlights because this one's really yellow, and make them look really nice again. Everything else is looking really good. The whole front end is coming together. I'm not going to be putting the bumper on just yet. I'll be doing that after we paint it. And everything else is pretty much done. Interior is still filthy. We'll have to get this thing detailed. I'm not sure if I'll be doing it or I'll hire someone because this thing is pretty bad. But everything else is looking good. Now let's go take it for a little test drive and see how she runs. All right, guys, this thing is so dirty. I literally have to wear gloves in here. There's mold everywhere. Let's go give a couple pulls. Where's the traction button? Go. Way too loud. Low washer fluid. Nice. That sucks. I thought it has LED, but it's an open diff. Let's give it one more pull. Alright guys, that is a wrap for today's video. Sucks this thing has an open diff. I thought it would have LSD because it is the top package, but it is what it is, and we might do something with that later. But thank you guys for watching till the end. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn you guys post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on anything. We will have some new builds here pretty soon. It'll be something super sick. You guys don't want to miss out on it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.